So guys, this video is going to be about packing. Tomorrow we fly our first flight at 6:05. So I researched quite a bit got to do with packing, and people say that rolling your clothes packs better than just folding it up. So this video is going to test that theory. Okay, here's the clothes that's going on my checked luggage. It would be 6 pajama items, 9 gym items, 5 tops, 11 dresses, you need a dress for every occasion, 5 warm tops, even though we're going in summer you need to be prepared for anything, and 2 jeans. So I'm going to pack this in just like this in my bag, and let's see if it'll all fit. So I'm using a box my shoes. There's a pair of high heels for warm weather, another pair for warm weather, my nice sandals, and that fits into a nice box. And I also have my gym shoes, which you definitely need. So this is how it looks with everything folded and packed in. Pretty squished. Let's see if we can close. Okay, definitely will be able to close. Now let's check if it's rolled in. So that's it. It seems much more compacted. If I close it, it seems like there's much more space in here. So for me traveling, I think I'm definitely going to go for this method of packing. I don't know how I'm going to get the clothes out of the bottom, but I definitely have enough clothes for 3 months. Okay, now we're going to check quickly for weight. It must be under 24 kilograms. Otherwise I must throw away a few things. Okay, so it's saying 17.9. That's definitely not a bad weight. I'm definitely under, and that's great news. After rolling around a little bit, everything still seems to be in order. That is awesome news. So a few things you do need when traveling is a bag for your carry-on to put spare clothes in. I will show you what I've placed in here in a moment. You definitely need a neck pillow. This was a nice one for 80 Rand at Clicks. Then you need compression socks. The same been flying for very long. These socks massage your feet and keep blood flow, which is very important. Then we have this awesome bottle. It keeps hot and cold, and it's a nice metal. That's from Typo. Then you definitely need toothbrush and toothpaste, a lock for your case like the one I have over there, some razor blades, and something I didn't really think of, and luckily my husband reminded me, you need a plug, because they don't use the same plugs in America. You see it converts the plug at the back, so you can plug in your normal nice adapter, and it changes it into, so you can put it into their walls. Okay, so if my things do get lost, I do have my carry-on bag. I have a blanket in there so that if it's cold on the plane I can use that. I also made sure I have enough clothes if my bag gets missing for quite a few days. I have 2 pairs of jeans, I have a pair of shoes which I'm going to put in, the 2 pairs of jeans can go in. I have a dress, of course, definitely need that, and I have 3 tops that I can mix and match with the pairs of jeans. I have my stockings, and I have a jacket. So this I've all made sure does fit in my carry-on. I will put in a book or two in here as well to make sure I'm not bored on the plane. And that's it. Almost forgot, you definitely need a comfortable pair of slippers. Another thing I forgot to mention is a laundry bag. This was 30 rand, so not anything too expensive. It is very nice to have in to put your dirty clothes in. You definitely don't want to have all your dirty clothes next to your clean clothes and then you're not sure which one's dirty, which one's clean. So it's a very good idea. And then for on the plane, I found a tip where they say you should wear your thickest jacket so that it doesn't take up space in your luggage. So this is my outfit: the thick jacket, a nice pair of jeans, my shoes, and a top. They say you should fly in clothes that you're comfortable in. I am comfortable in the jeans, luckily. Other people travel in pajamas and stuff, but I think I'm going to be fine in this. So for me, rolling up worked much better. Please comment in the section below if you prefer the other way. And thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.